AWS Amplify is a set of purpose-built tools and features that front-end web developers and mobile developers can use to quickly build full-stack applications on AWS. With Amplify, you can configure a web or mobile application backend and connect your app in minutes. You can visually build a web front-end UI and manage app content outside the AWS Management Console. You can use Amplify to ship faster and scale with little effort and cloud expertise. AWS Amplify features. Build. You can use Amplify authentication to quickly set up secure authentication flows with a fully managed user directory. The Amplify framework uses Amazon Cognito as the main authentication provider. Amplify Data Store is an on-device storage engine that automatically synchronizes data between your mobile and web apps in your database in the AWS cloud. This helps you build real-time and offline apps faster. Release, scale and manage. Amplify offers a fully managed service for deploying and hosting full-stack web applications with built-in CI/CD workflows that accelerate your application release cycle. The extensibility features of Amplify give developers the flexibility to customize their AWS backend and deployment capabilities. Tools. Amplify Studio generates automation templates when you create backend resources. These templates provide seamless integration with the Amplify CLI. Amplify libraries are powered by AWS services and can be used with new backends created with the Amplify command line interface, or CLI, Amplify Studio, or your existing AWS backend. The Amplify CLI is a toolchain to configure and maintain your app backend from your local desktop. Amplify UI Components is an open-source UI toolkit that encapsulates cloud-connected workflows inside of cross-framework UI components. You can use Amplify hosting to host your front-end web app, create or delete back-end environments, set up CI/CD on the front end and back end,